Now, after the map and the atlas, I'm coming back with the directions. Now, we have four directions, that is north, south, east. I told you, the hand which you eat east, and the other hand is west. Okay, this is the normal directions. But one more thing is, when you are facing the sun, then the direction changes. Okay, then the top one, you're not seeing the top and down, it is not north and south. The hand, there are four main directions, that is north, south, east and west. The sun rises in the east. Now you're going to see east is in front of you and the sun sets in the west. The west is at the back of you. So east you're getting when you're facing the sun, that is your east. And the back side, when the sun sets, that is your sun sets in the west, you say. So the back one is the west. Did you understand? And our left hand, the hand which is in left is your north, and the hand which is in your which is on the right is your south. The direction will change. But when you see the map, it is the top one is north and south and east and west. Did you understand? And when you're seeing the compass also, it is the same. But when you are facing the sun and you're seeing the directions, then the direction will change. You cannot say the top means it will go to the sky, and your down south means it will go to the earth. You're not seeing the earth and the sky. You're seeing the direction which side it is. So facing the sun rises in the east, so that is east. The sun sets in the west, so that is back is west. Your left hand is north and your right hand is south. Hope you understood. Now on the map, the top shows the north, what I told you beforehand, and the bottom shows the left. The left of the map shows the west. The left hand which you're saying is north, that will become west, and your right hand will become east. I told you the hand which you eat is always east, which you eat, E and east. Did you understand? Always remember, the hand you eat is your east, according to the map on the paper, that is north, south, east, west. That is when you go on top and bottom. Did you all understand? Now this is your whole structure. We just came, we started with how we live on the planet. Earth is the only planet where life exists because of the air, water and sunlight. Okay, next is we have 7 continents and 5 oceans. The largest continent is Asia, where we live, and the smallest continent is Australia, and we have 5 oceans. So how did I tell you the oceans? What did I tell you? Arctic Ocean, and then this is Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and these two hands will go for Pacific Ocean, and your down portion will go for Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean, yes. Now which is the smallest ocean? This sea, this part. Arctic Ocean is the smallest. And which will be the longest, the largest ocean? See, these two hands you're saying it is Pacific Ocean. So these two things are largest. So Pacific Ocean is the largest, Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Now the shape of the earth. Atmosphere, it is invisible, and the atmosphere is surrounded by air. And what does air contain? Dust, gases, tiny drops of water. Yes. Now and without this we wouldn't be alive, because we could not breathe. Now on the shape of the earth, in the beginning people thought it is flat. If we travel, we'd fall the other end, and some people thought it is square, and some afterwards they came to know that the earth is round, because they traveled from one end and came back to that end again. So they thought it is round, and they were confirmed when they went to the moon. From the moon, when they could see that the earth is round. Okay, now the study of the globe. I told you the globe, it is very map is easier than the globe. You have to carry the globe everywhere. It's not possible. Map, you can fold it and you can carry it, and you can see many places on the map. Okay, but on the globe it is not possible. You don't get the pointing is very thin. So map is easier. And then the directions, I did it last, north, south, east, west. When you're seeing it on the paper, the top is the north and down is south, and the hand you eat is the east, the right hand, and left hand is the west. And when you are seeing in front of the rising sun, the front portion is the east, the back is the west. and your left hand is north, your right hand is south. This is your lesson on the whole. Now I have explained. I'll be sending the note. I'll be giving you the notes. I'll explain the question and answers also and do it with action so that you can learn it easily at home. Hope you have understood and enjoyed the lesson. I'll send some videos also so that you can watch it practically. Thank you, children.